setting is so romantic. Wouldn't you say, Star?
Indeed. That is why we should sit at the table with Cyborg.
Hey! Over here! I got a booth!
Your makeup looks great today. Rita, you're a beautiful young lady.
Wow, you look nice.
And I am enjoying the color of your cloak.
Nails.
Wow, look at your feet. They're so cute.
You're so hairy.
Oh, I love your eyes.
Thank you.
And your cloak matches your hair perfectly.
I like you a lot.
Why, thank you.
Yeah, like more than
Maybe we should hug or kiss sometime.
yeah, go around.
Mwah. Rawr.
Mwah.
Yarr.
Mwah.
Ruff. Mwah. I'll eat you up.
Yum.
Yeah, Mama.
I more than like being with you.